Hello and welcome again to Mr. Calcutt Explains, and today we're going to be looking at column subtraction.
So if I was wanting to work out 52 take away 9, I'd set it out much the same way as I would with a column addition. So I've got my hundreds, tens and ones at the top, and we go down the ones column first. So first of all I have to do 2 subtract 9. Now I can't do that. And a common misconception is that children look at this and think, oh, 9 take away 2, that must be 7. You must always start with the top number. Now if you can't do it, we need to regroup. So we cross out the 5, and we take 1 from the 5 to go up here. Now it's 12 take away 9, and because we've taken 1 off of the 5, that now turns into a 4. So now it's 12 take away 9. Now we can either count backwards from 12 to 9, so 12, 11, 10, 9, 3, or we can count up from 9 up to 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 3. So 12 take away 9 is 3. Now we move to the tens. So 4, and it's got nothing to take away from it. So it's 4 take away nothing, 4 subtract nothing. So 4 take nothing away, we've got 4 left. So the answer to that one is 43. Let's have another go now using two two-digit numbers. So go down the ones first. 1 subtract 5. Remember, we can't do that. It's not 4. We have to start from the top. 1 take away 5. We can't do it, so we have to regroup. So we borrow 1 from the 6, which turns that into 11, and that 6 turns into 5. So now we've got 11 take away 5. So again, I'm going to count up from 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was 6. And 5 take away 3. We can do that. So 5, count down, 4, 3, 2. So the answer to that one is 26. Let's look at another example down here. 83 subtract 19. 3 take away 9. We can't do it, so we have to regroup again. Take 1 from the 8, one there, that turns it into 13 take away 9. Before I work this out, I must remember to change this to 7, otherwise I might forget. So 13 take away 9, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that's 4. And then 7 take away 1, we can do that. 7 take away 1, it's 6. So the answer is 64. Another common misconception here that children sometimes fall into the trap of is they forget they're taking away. So sometimes they might put 8 down here because they see 7 and 1, and straight away they think, oh, that's 8, because they're so used to doing additions. So they must always double check to make sure they've done the right operation. Here we've got one final trickier example. 501 subtract 148. So again, 1 take away 8, we can't do that. So we need to regroup this 0. But if we cross that out, there's nothing left over. The 0 can't lend anything to the 1. So before we do this one, we have to make sure that this is regrouped. So the 0 is going to borrow 1 from the 5. So we're going to regroup that. So that turns into a 4, and that 1 goes there. And now we've got 10. So the 1 can borrow from the 10. So we're going to put 1 on there, and the 10 now changes to become a 9. Okay, so 11 subtract 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 3. Okay, 9 subtract 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 5. And then 4 subtract 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So 501 subtract 148 equals 353.
Thank you for watching Mr. Calcutt Explains. Hopefully now column subtraction is much clearer to you. Any questions, please ask.